So hi guys, today we are going to just be doing a vote. Which plane goes the furthest? So
plane A, plane B or plane C. Vote now. Since we don't know how to turn on the comments, one video after comments turned on magically, American Diner Arcade. Go on that, pause the video, vote and then submit the comment. If you have that filter away you can't do it because you're not signed in, then just think to yourself in your head, and if you go to our school, tell us the next day. Okay, so first of all, plane A, and leave it when it goes. 3, 2, 1.
So I stand.
Wait, that was a fake test. We need to do it through the hallway.
Oh, so it means stand here. See if I go.
Well, stand here-ish, so it can you have a bit more distance. But ready? Plane A. 3, 2, 1. Okay. That wasn't that good. It hit the wall.
Sam, can we just do it here? Because the hallway's so hard to get.
Well, we've done that there. So ready? Plane B. Ready? Try and aim for it. 3, 2, 1. Plane B is so far winning. We're going to do plane A again just to test because that one wasn't proper.
Let's do plane C.
Plane C. Ready? Go. That one was definitely a fail. Okay, I'll try plane A again because that one hit the wall.
I will make plane C win.
Okay, plane B won, Jack.
What?
It won.
Plane B.
Then
That's the one that I voted for.
Then I voted for plane A. Plane B, then plane A sadly lost because plane C did a whole loop.
No, let's see.
Now let's guess
No,
who.
I'm gonna see if I can make plane C.
I made plane C. I'm not good at making paper
Wait, I'm
airplanes
gonna
with
see if I can
Jack.
make plane C win.
I think that's impossible.
I think it is. I'm not voting for it. I'm still voting for B.
Yeah, B won. So if you voted B, congratulations.
Well, you don't know that.
Please don't lie, because
We don't want that to happen.
no, C was second and then A was third. Jack's just going to try C one more time since I made it rubbishly and bad at making paper airplanes. But anyway,
I need to get on the hoverboard. Good luck.
he always has to do things on his hoverboard.
Ready?
Trying to be my head teacher, the wall sticker. Anyway, ready?
Oh, that was a real one because it hit the TV.
Yeah, but this one's still not going to count the vote because, you know, it already flew.
Oh, that one.
I think it's impossible.
Look, stop. It maybe not be.
Okay, just do the outro.
Let's just do it from this side then.
Okay, ready? That one flew really far, but since that one does not count because we already did it.
No, I made plane C win.
I know, but plane B won. If you vote plane C, you get second.
Look, that's plane C.
I know, but it was originated to be rigged. So
And you
anyway,
lost. You lost.
I know I did. Outro, please.
Jake.